In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Mitsubishi Lancer key fob. There are two versions of this Lancer key fob, the panic button and the trunk button version. Doesn't matter which one you have, the process is going to be pretty much the same exact thing, and the battery inside them is the same as well. So you will need one of these CR2032 batteries to get it done. And if you don't have one of these or you're not sure where to find one, check the link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. And the only other thing you will need excuse me, is a small Phillips head screwdriver. As you can see on the back here, they each have a small screw. Just going to need something about this size to remove it. If you do not have a small screwdriver, I would recommend this set that this screwdriver is from. This is just a couple bucks on Amazon, and it's a really good set of screwdrivers I've been using for a while. So if you're interested, if you need a screwdriver, check that other link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon to get those screwdrivers. So getting right into it, we just want to pull out the screw. That is the first step to opening this thing up. So set it to the side for now. You can just pull the device open, and if your keychain, key ring falls out, don't worry, we'll put that back together at the end. But for now, we just want to come over to the battery. From here, you can just gently knock the battery out. And on this device, you might get this little piece of metal coming out too. It's fine, we're gonna put that back together. You do the same thing over here, you just knock it out and this won't have anything falling out on you. So just, there it is, our CR2032 battery. Go ahead and dispose of your old one, grab your new battery, and when you're putting it in here, you want to make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. So we are going to put the battery in, but first, now that I think of it, you want to take this little metal piece and just slide it into place at the bottom. Let me show you. This is where it will be sitting, but it kind of wants to spring out on you. So you're just going to line it up, push it down into place, and then while you're holding it there, you're just going to take your battery positive side facing down and snap it in. And now it will all be held in there nice and secure. And you can just put this whole thing back together. So if you pick up the front of the device and you want to put a key ring on there, you just find this little post and you just hang the ring right off of that. And then you can put the back on top of that and squeeze it back together. Finally, we just need to put this screw back in and we will be all finished. So go ahead, turn that screw in there. There we go, just like that. You have a new battery in there and you are good to go. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. We'd love to hear your feedback. And you can also let me know just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can always come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials just like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.